What is this? Well, I suppose these are the faithful few. He said they can't watch with me for a while. Merle, come and get up. Try and put back some life in your life. And since nothing not going on around you, you might as well come back to your bed. Come, get up, man.
I want time now.
You never mind that. Just wake up that lazy man appears and let him come take your home.
Sucking it up.
Yeah, listen to the man, let me take all the things the man have got. Get time. Where everybody there? How on? Where everybody gone, eh?
What happened is that you all fell asleep. I don't even think you know why you are here. Take me, come take my watch.
Oh, you can't say a thing like that, Joyce. You must know why I'm there. Stop. Wait, hey, look like Charlie Concord, man. She been gone, come.
Leave the poor thing alone. You not seem taking hard. Poor thing.
Look at him. Some kind of poor cement. Imagine people come and say after their sympathy. Have to set up with him and he sleep like a damn lamb.
Well, me not wrong, Charlie, if you sleep them out, you know. Because if a foolishness when them go on with over here, would have put anybody to sleep.
You mean, say, you was part of the foolishness? If the whole if a chatting was bad, this singing was worse horror. What does singing it sound chaka chaka? We never hear anybody try so hard to sing so yet. And he go make matters worse when he can't take up and scale up with the harmony and song where it is. But Miss Jai, look what type of harmony and song where it is.
Everything was going on quite alright. Till him come away with being tear up Sankey. I want to track all this and them like I'm alone can't read. You want to see I find the batter around on the table. And every time somebody's turning their kitchen, you want to see my broken neck this while going inside it. Then the man never become a people yard man. Then when you have out of house and land. But no so the bitch mouth be.
Anyhow, I am glad that it is over now. We don't have to disturb the neighbors any longer.
It's all right, Miss Jai. Forget the message, ma'am. You want to go to your bed.
Come here, darling. Make we leave now.
Merle, I wasn't dropping any words here, you know. I was just saying that I'm glad the night the party is over now.
It's all right, Miss Jai. You still get the message, ma'am. You want to go to your bed. So tell me something now. Where you think you going, mister?
Everyone think you say get the message. Make we leave now, man. Joyce want to cheer up Shalman. Come we leave.
Baby, go ahead and clean up Miss Jai's house, yeah.
That's okay. Shalman and I will take care of it.
I'm going to call him to everything I want to know.
What's that? Buddy, me think it on there, they come on.
It's another liquor you want. But you don't worry, man. We have plenty more here.
And you know something you did a sleep. Me just a plan to put a paper cigar in my mouth.
You don't should have need conduit. You should have need conduit, man. I would have bite you by your finger in the You would have penny grease.
Lord Charlie, man. No little joke there make me cheer you. Poor thing, take it hard, you know, Miss Jai. Poor fatherless.
Merle, don't bother with that poor thing with you again. Now you cry to start your crying. Shalman, is what you're doing? Drinking again? You don't think you have enough?
I may come go me hard now, yeah, because Joyce want to go to her bed. And she there the family like when what?
Last man, come over there and drink, you're a big man.
This has key. Never take no one up in the road.
No bother with that. No bother with that. Because if you think say me when you my good liquor, you're going to spit out a rose. You have another guest coming.
How we are chat to Shani? Me can't hold my liquor, you know, man.
Hold which liquor that? Hold which liquor that? Now this last year you start practice to drink white from the master. Alright, come. Hold that. Now drink it and one is hold it.
But we can't tell him on this drinking business every minute, do you know? Sure. Hey, Miss Jai, since me I am one, maybe I only for to know.
Joyce, darling, I think you should hold something, sir. Let me know when I can go drink some of the what left coffee.
Stop. Am I wife just said we go drink what left coffee? Well, you must say more than Faraday out hard. I think there's some of that same what left coffee that you should go drink. Before you tumble down and start to sleep in your family.
How we are, Chester Charlie? Me can't hold my liquor, man. Yeah, let me get some of the bad rum when you jam for a bat, you know. I never taunted me. You should have seen me on the graveside. You see when I start talking about graveside. What a way, Mr. Wisdom, just ups and leave me saying that. Mr. Wisdom, you really give me a hard blow, especially your one son. You know, he was a man of man.
Last stop with the dead argument, man. Because the last thing I want to hear out of your mouth is how dead is the road for the whole away. Come on, come, have another drink. Have another drink. This time, this one for the road.
Me can't stand him on this dead argument every minute where you know Miss Giles. Move from there, some man. When you not go action man for your work when you can't get.
You know, she can't pressure me party. Me I tell you, know, it's hell when you out of job and living with a woman, you know.
Massa, at the rate at which things going nowadays, enough never like say you will get a work for them. As all of the work them got string tie and band them, you know. As so some full string are going in the society, you know.
No courage. Zaki, you are about to hear the full story of how unemployment was invented. Are you going to hear from the most experienced unemployed person?
How will you call unemployed? He's a taxi man.